Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have a really clean Bolton lathe. It's approximately 12 inch by 23 inch. It has a nice big hole through the spindle. For this size lathe, it's 1.5 inches. It is gear change. So you have to change the gears out, obviously, to get your different feed rates and threading pitches. It's 1 horsepower single phase. It can be wired for either 110 or 220. It's currently 220. I have a 4-way tool post with it. 6-inch 3-jaw. Tailstock has a Morse taper number 3. It weighs in at about 600 pounds. Storage cabinets underneath. Power feed. Power cross feed. The previous owner installed this screw to prevent you from moving into crossfeed accidentally, which apparently he had done a couple times. Half nuts. This changes the direction of the feed. Have the manual. 8-inch 3-jaw. Live center, keyless chuck. Chuck guard, Morse taper 5 headstock dead center, 3 dead center for the tailstock, the outside jaws, change gears, a bunch of different cutting tools with inserts. And since it is a 4-way, he made some different shims for getting them on the center height. Knurling tool. Thanks for looking.